Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in AbbVie Inc. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on AbbVie Inc. Understand the company's business model and key products. Review AbbVie's recent financial performance, focusing on revenue, profit margins, and growth rates. Analyze industry trends and how they may affect AbbVie's future. Examine AbbVie's competitive landscape and major competitors. Look into the company's pipeline for new drugs and innovations. Evaluate AbbVie's dividend history and payout ratios if you're interested in income investing. Set clear investment goals outlining your risk tolerance and desired returns. Choose a suitable brokerage platform that offers access to AbbVie shares. Open an account with the brokerage, making sure to complete all necessary identification checks. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. Search for AbbVie Inc. on the brokerage platform using its ticker symbol, AbbVie. Review the current stock price and performance charts. Determine the number of shares you wish to purchase based on your budget. Decide on the type of order you want to place, such as a market or limit order. If opting for a limit order, specify the price you're willing to pay for the shares. Confirm the details of your order before submitting it. Monitor your investment regularly to track its performance over time. Stay updated on news and developments related to AbbVie and the broader healthcare sector. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions and personal financial goals. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you need additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.